How to enjoy ChatGPT Go, which is a premium service which gives you extra features and more capabilities over the free plan. So simply go ahead and log into your ChatGPT account. Normally, you will see this button at the top on the home screen on the dashboard of the ChatGPT, which is called free offer. You can click on this button and you can go to the plans page and select this go plan and click on claim for free. But if don't worry if you are not seeing this free offer button at the top on your screen, then normally what you can do is you can click on the bottom left corner where normally your name or your account name will be displayed and where your current plan is displayed. For example, my current plan is free right now, and near that you will see a cut button called upgrade. If you are not seeing upgrade button, do not worry, just click on it and then you will see a option called upgrade plan. Just go to upgrade plan and then the same page, the payment page will load or the plan page will load. Select the personal option, don't go to business. In business you will not get the 12 months free offer. So select personal and then select the go plan and then click on claim free offer. It will take you to the payments page or the billing page. Wait for it to load patiently because it will take some 30 seconds of time. Once it is loaded, you just simply select UPI or card, how in whatever mode you want to make the payment, and do not worry about the payment because it's clearly mentioned here it is 100% off for 12 months. That means 400 rupees monthly you do not have to pay. You just need to give your billing details and UPI detail or a card detail for the next year payment. And do not worry, next year also you do not need to mandatorily pay for it. You can cancel the auto payment in your UPI app or in your card app, and you will not get charged a single rupee next year also. Although next year you will lose the premium features, maybe they will continue giving this free for next year. I don't know about that, but for now 12 months you can enjoy it for free. So simply select whatever mode you want to select. So let me write my details here and then simply write your UPI ID. Once you write your UPI ID, you can select this I am purchasing as a business and you can type in your business name and GST number also. And then finally click on the you'll this checkbox to agree to the terms and condition that you will be charged next year after this 12 months free offer expires, and then click on subscribe. You will get subscribe. So let me go ahead and enter my details here and then I will click on subscribe and show you the next page. So once you fill up all the details and click on subscribe, you will get a notification. In the case of UPI, you will get the notification on your UPI app. So for example, Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, or whichever app you are using. So go ahead in your mobile phone, open that particular app and approve the payment. Okay, so I have entered all the details. Now I'll click on subscribe and it will take me to the approval of payment page. So I'll go to my mobile phone and I have got this notification from the Paytm. I will accept that and you will get this kind of notification from the for example OpenAI LLC to make the automatic payment request of 399. So do not worry, your 399 rupees will not get deducted. It will get deducted next year after 12 months. Before that, as I said, you can turn off the auto pay functionality so you will not get charged. So right now you just simply need to click on setup automatic payment and select whatever uh, uh, bank or payment mode you want to select. So let me go ahead and do it. Once you will make the payment, you will see this page. Wait for few seconds, at least 30 to 40 seconds, and then it will take you back to the ChatGPT home and then it will say now you are subscribed to the ChatGPT Go plan, which is a special plan for India. And simply you can enjoy the ChatGPT Go plan benefits. So now if we go to upgrade plan, so this plan you will see you as your current plan. So enjoy ChatGPT Go for a year. Thank you.